Hey guys, welcome back. So in today's video we will go through how to change the page size in LibreOffice Writer. So let's get step by step. Now right here, open the menu. So go to the top menu bar and select Format. And okay, just that this thing starts to work. So Format and then Page Style right here. Or you can press Alt, Shift and P. Click on that. Now you see that new window pops up. Now select Page tab right here on the left. And now you can adjust under the paper format right here. You can use this drop down menu and select your desired size. So we can go with A6 to 3. Then we have some B5, B4, DL envelope and so on. So just select whatever you want. Then you can change between portrait and landscape. So let's go with landscape just for presentation. When you are happy with all of the settings, just hit apply and then OK. And now you can see we changed this first page in A5 in landscape. Now that you ensure that all new documents start with a specific size, open a blank document. And yeah, just a moment that I open up a blank document. So, but I will go with that one here. So we go here to format and then page style. And okay, here you will set your preferred page style. So I will just go with that one and landscape, apply, and then OK. Now what you need to do, go here to File at the top corner, and then you will see here templates like that, and save a template. Click on that. Now here you can give the name to your template, so something like that. And then you can select template category like so. I will choose my template. And when everything is done, just click save and you have successfully made yourself a template. So if I go here to the templates section, now as you can see we have here a new template, category my template, and the name is test, which I just now created. So this is how you can change page size in LibreOffice, and also you can then make yourself a template that you don't all the time changing this page style. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next.